Toyota Genuine Coolant and Super Long Life Coolant removes heat from your engine to maintain optimal operating temperatures. Able to withstand the extremes of Canada's climate, Toyota Genuine Coolants protect your car's internal components from corrosion and lubricate your engine's water pump. Toyota Genuine Long Life and Super Long Life Coolants are specially formulated to meet Toyota specifications for excellent corrosion protection against all metals used in cooling systems. The non-silicate formula in Toyota Genuine Long Life and Super Long Life Coolants do not contain silicate or borate, which may be found in store-bought types of coolant. Silicate forms harmful deposits in water pump seals, leading to coolant leakage. Borate will attack aluminum parts and create corrosion deposits that cause radiator clogging. Replace your coolant according to the manufacturer's required maintenance schedule for your year and model to help extend the life of your vehicle's cooling system, including your heater core, water pump, radiator, and hoses.